In this video, we're talking about, is Cash App Savings locked? So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, a card where you can spend your balance, and even peer-to-peer payments. Along with this, a new savings feature is coming a lot of questions. So you can see I have $1,050 in my savings. I'm currently earning 1.5% interest. That goes up to 4.5% interest if I can have more paychecks deposited to my Cash App here. So if you want to learn all about that feature, check out the other videos on my channel and they go more in depth. But people want to know, like, if you add money to your savings feature here, is it locked in there for any period of time, or can you take it out whenever? And the answer is that you can just transfer this out freely whenever you want. There's no fees, there's no lock. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. You want to tap the transfer out button. Let's just say I want to take out $50. Tap move to cash balance, scan my face. And there we go, $50 transferred to cash balance. Tap done. We can go back here and see my cash balance has increased from $18 to $68. And then I can cash this out to my bank immediately or do whatever I want to do with it. Buy some Bitcoin, stocks, or spend it with my Cash App card. So yeah, there's your answer. There's no lock or anything like that. You can come into this savings feature and transfer in or out immediately as you wish. I hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.